What is good, YouTube, man? It's the Hemi Twins back here with another video, and today, man, we got another well-recommended mod for y'all boy, man. You don't really see this type of mod coming from a Dodge product, like a vehicle or some sort, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, seeing this type of mod will make you want to get it, you know? Not seeing it coming from the Dodge Chargers and stuff like that, you know, you don't really see it. So, you know, this mod is gonna be well recommended, man. Y'all boy let me know how this mod gonna look when it's all done. So y'all boy let me know how it is. And yeah, man, so we are gonna be able to, we are getting the stars in the ceiling, you know, in my 392 Dodge Charger ScatPack. So we're gonna be getting the stars in the ceiling. And yeah, you don't really see stars in the ceiling in a Charger or a Challenger or a Dodge in general, you know what I'm saying? So something new, you know, it just, you know, you can't be, you always gotta find something new to get. You can't be getting the same thing, you feel what I'm saying? Y'all let me know in the comment section if y'all know what I'm saying, you feel what I'm saying? But yeah, man, so we're gonna be getting the stars in the ceiling. And yeah, I'm gonna just take y'all on a trip. You know, it's not gonna take too long to get there, but I'm gonna just take y'all with me, man. So y'all boy let me know how it goes. Get the stars in the ceiling. This is a great mod. I got my boy back there. He don't want to be on camera, but yeah, I got my boy back there. You know, he about to start taking off the headliner and stuff. So yeah, start taking off the headliner, and yeah, man, we're gonna get the stars in the ceiling right. You feel what I'm saying? I already got the color changing lights already. So yeah, man, y'all boy, this thing already looking good, man. Yeah, but let me know in the comment section, man, how the scat look. How y'all think how the scat look, man? You know what I'm saying? I got way more, man. I got way more things coming for the scat. Y'all boy just gotta stay tuned and stay tight. You know, we almost did our 1K, man. Really wait until we hit this 1K, really. You know what I'm saying? That's a big milestone for me. So, you know, we gonna still grind and still put out this content. But yeah, you know what I'm saying? But once he get this headliner done, and you know what I'm saying, get the headliner done, and the stars will be right there, man. Something I will recommend this mod, y'all boys. So, but I'm gonna just wait. Y'all boys just gonna see it, man. So, yep. All right. So I got the box right there. This the other box. This the old box I had, and that's the one that don't really twinkle and whatnot. But this supposed to twinkle right there. So, you know what I'm saying? We is making progress, as y'all see. Getting the headliner down now. You know what I'm saying? You see? So, yeah, once he get the thing in there, once he change the box out and stuff, then we should be straight, low-key. See? But yeah, just giving y'all boy a little update. That's all it is. Alright, man, so yeah, I know it's dark out, boy, but yeah, he finally got done. So I'm about to start the car up right now.
See it in there now. I can change that
how y'all like it, man. You feel me? Let me know what y'all think about it, man. Give me a 1 to 10 about it, man. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up for the video, man. So yeah, it's the Hemi twins.